Hello everyone, I am Sikandar Abu Rakib. Welcome to my tutorial. This is the continuation of our student app project. I am creating it with AngularJS and Firebase. This is video tutorial number 3 or part 3. In our last two tutorials, I made this app with the CRUD operation. So today I am going to create the search box here that will filter the information displayed here, and then I will try to put the display message when I will delete any record from here, or if I add any record here, the save message will be displayed here, and in the same way when I edit something from here, and the display message will be coming here. Alright, here I have opened my project into the command window, and here in the Sublime text editor I have opened my project. I am going to page 1 folder and page 1 HTML page. Here I am going to make some changes. First of all, I am going to create a container class, and I am putting everything inside this class. Then I am going to create some row class. These are the bootstrap class we know, and within the row class I am going to create another class called dot call md3, and I am putting this student list here and changing the tag with h3 from h1, and I am adding another class called md5, and here I am putting some h3 tag and writing search, and also writing input. Okay, and here I am going to write ng model is equal to search variable, and I'm going to make some changes here. I'm putting some pipe filter and writing filter, and that variable name that I put here search. Okay, so far so good. Let us go to the browser page and refresh the page. Okay, let us see it works or not. Yes, it is working. And if I write SA, yes. If I write CAC, yes. If I write OK, and if I write S, if I write OK, so it is working. Now I am going to page 1. Now I am going to create another class dot call md4 for the display message, and within this div I am creating another class called message1, and writing here ng show equal to msg1. Okay, and within this div I'm going to put some h3 tag, and within that tag I'm going to display the message. Okay, I'm going to save this page here, and I'm going to page 1. In page 1, first of all I am going to write scope dot message1 is equal to false. Okay, and then here in success message I'm going to write, I'm going to copy it, scope dot message1 is equal to some string student deleted successfully. Okay. And I'm going to give some JavaScript function like window dot set time out function, and within this function I'm going to write another anonymous function, and within this anonymous function I'm going to write $scope dot $apply function, and here again anonymous function, and here I'm going to make it again false, and going here and giving the 2000 millisecond. So I want to disappear the message after 2 seconds. That's why I'm using this JavaScript function. Okay, let us see what happens. I'm refreshing the page. Okay, it is working. Okay, so now I am going to page 2 and page 2 HTML form, and I'm going to make the required changes here. The same thing here. That means I'm going to create a container class, and I'm putting everything inside it. And also I'm going to create a row class, and within this row class I'm going to create dot call md8 class, and within this div I am putting this, and I'm changing the tag from h1 to h3, and here is student entry form. Okay, and again I'm going to create some class md4 to display the message, and I'm going to create another div with some class msg2, and within this div I'm going to create some h3 tag, and here I'm going to put ng show is equal to message 2, and I'm putting this message to here with the interpolation. Okay, so far so good, and I'm going to save it. And also I need to go to page2.js, and here I need to write scope dot message 2 is equal to false, or I can write string, no problem. And again I'm going to write here $scope dot message 2 is equal to student added successfully. Okay, now I need to do same thing, so I'm going to copy it from here and paste it, and I need to change here from message 1 to message 2. Okay, and this is page 2. Okay, let us see the effect. I'm going to add student. Okay. To solve this problem, I'm trying to create another class, that is dot clear fix dot clear fix. This is a bootstrap helper class. Okay. Now also I'm going to put this into here. Okay. Okay. This is page 1, add student, page 2, and CSC. Yes, the message is coming. Okay. Now I need to saving also. Now I'm going to page 3, HTML, and doing the same thing. So I'm going to copy it, and same for page 3 here, and I'm going to cut it from here and put it here, student edit form, and I need to change here from message 2 to message 3, and here message 3, and here also message 3, and I'm going to save it. Okay, and I'm going here and copy this one and going to page 3.js and putting it here to initialize this message 3, and going to page 2.js again and copying some code from here for saving the time, coming to page 3.js, and here in the success section, not message, I'm pasting it and changing from message 2 to message 3, and student not added, updated successfully. Okay, and here is message 3. Okay. I'm going to save it, and again going to the browser and refresh the page, and going to any student like last one, and going to change and trying to update it. Message is not showing. Let me say I'm going to copy it and deleting it, and it is a bit tricky way to solve this problem. Sometimes we have to do it. Okay, it is working. Okay, and the changes that I made, and it is permanent here. So I am going to change another modification here. Okay, and it is displaying the message. Okay, so far so good. Now one thing is remaining. I need to create a style file, style.css, and the first thing I need to connect it here, link style.css, style.css. Okay, now I'm going to this file and writing some style here, .btn with 80 pixel and margin left 7 pixel, and dot message 1 dot message 2 and dot message 3, color white, font style italic, and background color background color hash 449D44 and text align center and border radius 2 pixel. Okay, and style for h3 margin 10 pixel. Okay, so if I delete, the message is coming, and if I edit, yes, message is coming, and if I add similar Rakib CSC level 3 save, message is also coming. Okay, so this is all about our AngularJS and Firebase student app application. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope this tutorial will be informative for you. If you practice, you will have more control on AngularJS and Firebase. So thank you for watching. I'll see you next tutorial.